Hey everyone, it's a nice sunny day today, but I wanted to talk about the annual wellness checkup. So the annual wellness checkup should actually be termed annual disease check-in. The idea for a checkup is to make sure everything's okay and you don't have any new problems and that you're good till the next 12 months checkup. But the problem I find is that when you have limited education on how to effectively make changes, then your healer, your team, your doctor will probably not be able to give you the advice that you need to reverse the disease that has been newly discovered. So let me explain that. The idea with any kind of blood testing is to figure out if something new has popped up. Now, if you have obesity, diabetes, high blood pressure, then you already know that there's something going on that you have to reverse. If you're not given the keys to reverse and you're only given a higher dose medication or a second medicine, then you're not really changing anything. And in fact, if you're not changing anything, the likelihood of you progressing in the next 1 to 5 to 10 years is high. So I like to make changes. So lifestyle change always starts with figuring things out. I have training in 3 different specialties, and I think I've developed enough robust knowledge to give you more tools in the toolbox. Now, Maslow said that if you have a hammer, then everything that you come across is considered a nail. And I have more than a hammer. I'm not putting down my friends, my colleagues, but Western medicine is just not built to change lives. And that's why going back to wellness exam, you come to me with, I don't have the fanciest office, low tech, high intensity. If you want high tech, then you can see your doctor, go to your hospital, get the newest prescriptions from your pharmacy and pay the exorbitant fees of your monthly bills. But if you want high intensity and reversal of disease, either come to see me in Hoffman Estates or come to see me and my team in Bartlett at the Endorphin Effect. I guarantee that if we can't make changes to your lifestyle to reverse disease or at least halt it, then I'll give you my suggestion on who you should incorporate into your team. The objective is to beat the diseases that are coming. And now with COVID, the same diseases that were there before, high blood pressure, cholesterol, diabetes, obesity, those are called comorbid conditions, and they increase the chance of you having post-COVID syndrome. That's a prolonged amount of suffering. Now, if you don't know how to reverse that, if your team can't help you reverse it, then that's cool because we got a vaccine coming in 2021. I mean, the government spent $1 billion on that, but there's data out there from SARS 2003, from MERS after that, on the use of proper nutrition. If you can reverse your insulin resistance in 2 weeks, you already have put away one of the comorbid conditions. And that can be as easy as changing, manipulating diet, initiating an exercise routine, having better sleep, taking care of standard deficiencies. I don't want my patients to take all the vitamins I take. I think if you can do that with just changing nutrition, that's the first step. Maybe later on we'll talk about deficiencies. So come see me and my team. I'll put the link down below for how to schedule a visit with me. Unfortunately, the insurances aren't working with me, but I can see you as an out-of-network provider. I'm 100% committed to having you and your family live through this catastrophe and hopefully see the light at the end of the tunnel.